In this training, we're going to talk about the biggest mistakes people make while setting up their Google Ads campaigns that cost them a lot of money. So number one thing, it defaults to the search network and the display network. Display network is banner ads on websites. These are completely different campaigns. Do not run both at the same time. The next one is not targeting your location correctly. Now, if you don't expand it, it's just going to go on the default, which looks okay. But if you go into here, it defaults to presence or interest. So people in or regularly in or interested in the location. Most of the time, you want people physically in that location, not people interested in that location. Those are two completely different things. The next most important thing that people miss is not doing their keywords correctly. Match type makes a huge difference. When you go and put in broad match, which is putting it in there without any format, it's going to match to things related to that. So not necessarily red or running or shoes. So it's going to be a very, very broad match and waste a lot of money. Typically you'll do phrase match, which is in quotes, or exact match. So you're sticking very close to this exact thing. Sometimes words in front of it or behind it are very slight variations. Also broad match modifier, you've probably seen this. It has plus symbols in it. Google got rid of this a while ago. So if you have a really old account or bad training, this one doesn't exist anymore. Don't use it. And most of the time you're not going to use broad match. It's too broad, too many irrelevant searches.